Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some small cottage kitchen decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Decorating a small cottage kitchen can be both cozy and charming with the right touches. Here are some ideas to help you make the most of a small space while embracing that cottage feel. Light, soft colors. Choose a palette of soft whites, creams, pastels, or gentle shades like sage green or light blue. These colors help make the space feel larger, brighter, and more inviting. Open shelving. Replace upper cabinets with open shelves to create an airy feel. Display rustic dishware, mason jars, or vintage mugs for character. Use baskets and labeled jars for an organized look. Matcha block or wood countertops. Wooden countertops bring warmth and a rustic feel to a cottage kitchen. Matcha block is both affordable and functional, enhancing the cottage aesthetic with natural, earthy tones. Farmhouse sink. A deep farmhouse sink is both practical and visually charming. These sinks are often seen in cottage-style kitchens and add a touch of rustic elegance. Vintage-inspired appliances. If you're upgrading appliances, consider retro or vintage-inspired options. Soft pastel or enamel finishes complement cottage kitchens perfectly, adding a nostalgic touch. Breadboard or shiplap walls. Adding breadboard paneling or shiplap walls can instantly bring cottage charm. It's ideal for a backsplash or as an accent wall behind open shelves. Rustic hardware. Swap out basic hardware for wall-wrapped bronze or antique brush handles and knobs. This gives cabinets and drawer a handcrafted look with an old-world charm. Charming textiles. Adds cozy textiles like floral or gingham curtains, oven placemats, or tea towels. Lightly distressed fabrics can add warmth and character to the space. Potted herbs and small plants. Fresh herbs like basil, thyme, or rosemary in small pots add a puff of green and create a homely feel. Place theme on a windowsill or a small open shelf for both function and beauty. kitchen can accommodate a table. Choose a small plastic table with a few vintage chairs. A fold-down table or a small bistro set can fit in tiny kitchens without overwhelming the space. Antique or reclaimed pieces incorporate an old hutch, a vintage sink, or a reclaimed wood cutting board. Even a small vintage clock or framed art can add a lot of personality. Lighting with character. Choose pendant lights or sconces with a vintage or farmhouse vibe. Lantern style lights or glass pendants with additional bulbs can add warmth and cottage charm. Thank you so much for watching this video.